began to shine. Your voice was set in space and time. By wisdom you drew every line. The heavens sing was yours and mine. By your wisdom earth was formed. By your hands the skies adorn. Every breath and life's first word comes from the wisdom that formed the world. The ocean know how far to reach. The mountains rise at your decree. Creation moves in harmony, designed by truth, by majesty. By your wisdom, earth was formed. By your hands, the skies adorn. Every breath and life's first word comes from the wisdom that formed the world. You thought of beauty, you thought of grace, you shaped the heavens, you with your name. We stand in wonder, hearts amazed by every word your hands have made. By your wisdom earth was formed. By your hand the skies adorn. All we are and all we've heard comes from the wisdom that formed the world. Comes from the wisdom. I drew the map, had dreams to chase, thought I knew the time, the place. But every turn that didn't go my way led me closer to your grace. I plan my course, you guide my steps. Even when I can't see what's next, I learn to trust, not just expect. The Lord establishes my steps. I've been caught between doubt and drive, trying to force what wasn't mine. Now I rest in what you choose, 'cause losing my way means finding you. I plan my course, you guide my steps. You guide my steps. I can't see what's next. I've learned to trust, not just expect. Ooh, yeah. The Lord establishes my every detour's been a mercy road. Every delay has made me grow. I don't need to run ahead. Your timing's perfect, I'm content. I plan my course, you guide my steps. You guide my steps. You write the story, I don't regret. I walk by faith, not intellect. Ooh, man. The Lord establishes my steps. You guide my steps. You guide my steps. You guide my steps. Lord establishes my steps. I've been walking roads I don't understand, trying to hold it all in my hands, but every turn just shows me more how much I need you. Ooh, I'll trust in you with all my heart. I'll lean on you when the night gets dark. Yeah, I don't have to know where this road will go, 'cause you already know. I'll trust in you with all my heart. Every fear keeps calling my name, but your peace reminds me who you are again. You make the crooked path run straight. You lay me home by grace. Ooh, ooh, I'll trust in you with all my heart. All my heart. I'll lean on you when the night gets dark. I don't have to know where this road will go, 'cause you already know. I'll trust in you with all my heart. Even when I can't see it, I'll lean on you. You've been faithful, you've been true. My heart will rest where your promise stays. You're my life, my only way. I'll trust in you with all my heart. I'll lean on you when it's dark. I don't have to see, I just believe your hand is guiding me. I'll trust in you with all my heart. Yeah, I've been walking with my head down low, carrying more than you could know. But then you spoke just one kind of line, and light broke through this heart of mine. Your word lifts my soul again, takes the weight I've been living in. Love don't need a shout to win. Your word lifts my soul again. The world can talk but never heal. You remind me of what is real. When that was loud, your truth came through and pulled me back to something new. Your word lifts my soul again, takes the weight I've been living in. Love don't need a shout to win. Your word lifts my soul again. One kind voice can't change the night. One soft phrase can bring new life. You remind me who I am. Peace returning through your hand. His love through you, my friend. Your word lifts my soul again. Your word lifts my soul again. When the night feels never ending and the silence cuts too deep, I can feel you draw me near. When my strength is almost fading and my heart can barely speak, your presence calms my fear. You are my strong tower, safe where I can breathe. Mercy all around me, you're my covering. You are my strong tower, hope that won't retreat. Your name restores my spirit, and your love's my peace. When the storm keeps rolling over and I'm drowning in the noise, still your whisper finds my soul. Every wall the world has built up falls before your steady voice. You remind me you're in control. You are my strong tower, safe where I can breathe, safe where I can breathe. Mercy all around me, you're my covering, you're my covering. You are my strong tower, hope that won't retreat, hope that won't retreat. Your name restores my spirit, and your love's my peace. High above my fear